Hello, welcome to my YouTube web channel, SuperTech. And today we're going to be considering the tie rod, and we're going to use this optical CMM to get the information from the end to the nut. In other words, alignment distance. To do that, what we're going to do is get a few features. The first one would be the lower arc, the upper arc of the cup, and the nut feature. And when we have all that, we will be able to get the length from the end to the nut and be able to adjust the alignment. Our first thing we want to do is we want to go to the window menu, select editor, and then you'll notice that the editor program comes up. Create features in this sequence. First the lower arc, the upper arc, and finally a line representing the bottom of the nut. Select the teaching mode icon as the icon with a pencil, and ensure the cursor is between begin and end. Next, all actions in the program will be recorded. Select the icon and the icon, and the program should begin to start recording. Double-click on the lower arc and the upper arc. Just a side note, you can choose to double-click on the arcs on the graphic view or the database to create arc centers. Check the graphic view to make sure the points are in the right place. Select the bisect icon and ensure the next icon is still selected. Double-click on the 2 points and it will create a center. In the database view, right-click on POI 0002, choose the Edit feature, and rename the feature name to Datum, and then click OK. Step 8, choose the distance icon, manual mode, and double-click on the line and the datum, and you should see this comes up as a new line. And what we want to do is right click on it and rename it to length. Pressing the teaching mode icon to stop recording, and then the play icon to see the program run. Oops, let me go back. Save the part program and the folder and name. Good programming. This is always a good idea to take notes on what you've created for future use. Scroll up to the top of the program. Just below begin, type a double slash is the key with the question mark. Double-click slashes at the beginning of a line will allow you to write notes within the program without affecting the program code. This example has sequence of feature generations before the program is ran. This exercise does not require being in teaching mode. Save the part program again by clicking on Save the Part Program. A good practice to do also is to take a screen print and paste it onto an Excel sheet and take notes. Maybe use bullet points, or as these are bubbles, where you can name your features in the order that you do them in. Like we created feature 1 first, then feature 2, and then the third feature, the line for the nut. And then we started the teaching mode, where the first thing we did during teaching mode was we set the center for the arc for the first one, the center arc for the top arc, the bisecting the 2 arc centers, and then lastly we got our program length. All of this makes good practice and keeping notes of the program itself. Thanks for watching SuperTech QC on YouTube.